Do you want to earn incredible income with the power of artificial intelligence? This is a true story. A faceless YouTube channel started posting interesting videos and exciting stories created by artificial intelligence just 2 months ago and is now making over $10,000 a day. And this is not just one example. Another channel in the same short period of time has made more than $40,000 per month, and another has even managed to earn $115,000 per month. Are you surprised? Don't you believe these channels had no subscribers just 2 months ago? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go the same route and start your own YouTube automation channel. No matter where you start, I'm here to teach you step-by-step how to create content using artificial intelligence without the need for a face and achieve incredible income. This training is the result of my 5 years of experience in this field, and I have used this method not only for myself, but also for thousands of other people, and have made them successful. This comprehensive tutorial covers everything from creating a channel with the help of AI, writing engaging scripts, to producing your first professional video without the need to show your face. But that's not all. We will also show you in this tutorial how to make money from YouTube without spending any money. For your convenience, I have prepared a comprehensive document that includes all the tools and resources we use in this tutorial. Just click the link in the description and join our free community. Professional tools provided to you absolutely free. Now you might ask, does this really work? Yes. One example is a channel that has attracted over 300,000 subscribers with just a few videos. The channel publishes simple cat videos, some of which have received millions of views. Imagine how you can use this idea and create your own successful channel. If you've always been looking for a way to earn a lot of money on YouTube without showing your face, now is the best time. With the help of artificial intelligence, you can quickly launch your YouTube channel and turn it into a money-making machine. Do not miss this golden opportunity. Now take a screenshot of the video's channel page. Then tell it to create photo prompts for you like Amy Channel. Then, after taking screenshots, you can create prompts based on these similar images or videos. To take your YouTube content to a new level, after getting the right prompts from ChatGPT, Leonardo AI site. In this section, we will teach you how to use the prompts generated by ChatGPT in Leonardo AI to create special and professional images. After ChatGPT generates the appropriate prompts for the images or other images you need, copy each prompt individually. Each prompt contains detailed instructions for the image type, colors, elements, and text that will be used in the image. Importing prompts. Enter the prompts you copied from ChatGPT one by one in the image generation in Leonardo AI section. Enter each prompt individually so that the site can generate the desired images for you with high accuracy. Choose custom settings. In Leonardo AI, you can make more settings for image generation. For example, you can specify resolution, art style, or even additional elements such as backgrounds and special effects. These settings will help you get the images exactly to your needs. Image generation. Now just press the Generate button so that Leonardo AI will generate the image based on the entered prompt. This process takes a few seconds, after which the final image will be ready for you. Review and save the image. After the image is generated, you can review it and make minor changes if needed. If you like the image, save it and use it to use in YouTube videos, images, or any other project you have. In this way, using the combination of ChatGPT and Leonardo AI, you can create powerful and impactful visual content that is not only attractive, but will help your YouTube channel grow quickly. This smart solution allows you to produce the highest quality images for your videos without having to have professional graphic skills and ultimately achieve more success. To make your video content look more professional and engaging, simply log back into ChatGPT and ask it to create a full article for your video. This article can include a full description of the topic of the video, key points, and even catchphrases that you can use in your script. Once you're logged in, simply ask ChatGPT to write an article for your video. For example, say, please write an article for a video about YouTube automation methods using artificial intelligence. ChatGPT will create a complete and relevant article based on your needs and video topic. Now that the article is ready, you can use it as a script or description for your video. This article will not only improve your video structure, but also help you provide valuable and relevant content that is more engaging to your viewers. Now that you've got your article from ChatGPT, the next step is to add audio to the video. For this, you can use 11 Labs, which allows you to add a professional and high-quality voiceover to your video. Selecting the speaker's voice. After entering the site, go to the voice generation section. In this section, you can choose the voice that suits your video style from among the voices of different speakers. A variety of voices are available from masculine and feminine, formal or friendly. After the final settings, download the generated sound. Now you have an audio file that you can easily use in your videos. To make professional and attractive videos, you have now reached the stage of video editing. With CapCut, you can easily add all the images and sounds you've ever made to a video and turn it into a perfect piece of content. In the following, I will describe the detailed and step-by-step steps to edit the video and create a spectacular effect. First, open CapCut and create a new project. CapCut is one of the best video editing apps for mobile that has many professional editing tools and is very easy to use. Import all the images you've created using artificial intelligence tools like Leonardo.ai into the app. These images are the backbone of your video. Also, add the audio you downloaded from 11 Labs in the previous step to the project. This voice will be the narrator of your video. Now it's time to make the video more interesting. By selecting any photo, you can zoom in or out a bit. Gradual zooming in on images makes the images appear more vivid and dynamic and the video less monotonous. For each photo, you can add a simple animation to break the still images. There are various animations in CapCut that you can choose from, such as entry and exit animations that make images move in and out naturally and smoothly. You can use video effects to make your video look more professional. These effects add more visual appeal to images and videos. Choosing effects that fit your content can make it more impactful. Match the speaker's voice with the pictures. If a part of the video needs silence, you can cut the unnecessary parts to make the video smoother. Also, make sure that the volume is balanced throughout the video and that the points that need emphasis are well defined. One of the effective ways to attract more audience is to add subtitles to the video. This not only helps to better understand the content of the video, but also makes the video more engaging for viewers who do not have sound enabled. In CapCut, you can easily add and adjust subtitles, including the font, color, and size of the subtitles. After all the editing steps are done, review your video and make sure everything went as you expected. Now you can get the video output. CapCut allows you to output with different qualities, but I suggest you use the highest possible quality so that your video will be displayed in better quality. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. See you next time.
Thank you.